स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ready? Start. Infrastructural plan is also very important. When you think of providing more wagons, there should be sufficient railway stations. The platforms must be long enough. Otherwise, people get discomfort and our achievements on various points will be immediately sidetracked. By more waiting at the railway station for hours, I think the passengers will feel that nothing is achieved in our country and that everything is of disadvantage to them. He forgets immediately the achievements made in this country. So the small thing which the people are coming across every day in their day-to-day life is the infrastructural weakness. Sir, about the recovery of our economy has made, I do not want to compare it with that happened in their government's time. We have not sold the gold which is reserved in the country in 1978-79 and 1979-80. Did they not sell the gold? Did they not stop collections for cheap popularity? Did they not distort the economy at that time by wrong fiscal policies? Sir, many things are there, but I do not want to take your time because we are now discussing on a very important document in the House. Sir, the productivity has to be increased. For productivity increase, the theme of the budget itself is increasing the production. Thermal power generation is an important factor. Sir, I come from a state where electricity used to be a surplus commodity every year, but last year because of the drought, we find suddenly that there is power shortage. Sir, in the state of Kerala there is no thermal power station. There was a proposal for the Silent Valley project, but that was turned down on ecological reasons. We accept it fully because ecology, protecting nature, is very important. And we welcome the decision of the Prime Minister and the Government of India. But at the same time, to compensate that and to remove the shortage of power, I request the Finance Minister to explore the possibility of sanctioning a thermal power station to that state. Sir, before concluding, I would like to dwell upon one or two small points. I come from an area which is a border state, border not with China or Pakistan. It has a border with the Indian Ocean. On almost three sides we are covered with ocean. If you take Kanyakumari also into account, this is vulnerable. The developments in the Indian Ocean, as everybody knows, are very unhealthy competition of superpowers. They are creating problems of insecurity for that state and the border areas. So I am glad that the government of India has thought about locating the Naval Academy in that state at Kannur. But sir, Air Force station and the Army stations will have to be thought of in this part of the country. Because this is surrounded on three sides by the ocean, security is more important. Similarly, political extremism at various points is emerging in various shapes and forms. It is necessary to have a strong police force, so the security arrangement is very necessary. I am concluding with one word. Cochin is the commercial and industrial capital of a state. Cochin was known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea. Stop. तो दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन आज की हो गई है, और जिस किसी को भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चाहिए हैं ऑडियो और पीडीएफ के साथ, वो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकता है। अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर यूट्यूब के अबाउट सेक्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बताकर आप डिक्टेशंस और पीडीएफ ले सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।